Good morning, boys and girls. It is another hot day here in Indiana. It's actually about 76 right now, and it's supposed to get up to like 86 within the next couple hours. So I started off today's video in the morning, which you can't usually do most mornings, but today I started out the video in the morning so I can work on the truck before it gets too hot. We're going to be working on the 7.3 again today. Yesterday I did the taillights. The day before that I did the grill. And we got the headlights are getting shipped back. My dad took them this morning. I got some comments from guys, letting me know that you can just trim back the plastics and cut the moldings and whatever to make them fit. Which I kind of mentioned that to my dad just real quick. I'm like, hey, like there's some forums, some guys sent me links. Apparently you can just trim back the plastics and everything and make them work, whatever. But before we really got a chance to really talk about it, he was already up and gone this morning. So we no longer have the headlights. They're just going to get shipped back. We're just going to order the same ones basically, but just for this truck specifically so that we don't have to go chopping up stuff. But that's no big deal. I mean, it'll be a couple days and we'll have the new headlights in, so that'll be nice. But let me show you these fog lamps that we got for this truck. Just basically a smoky chrome, just like the tail lights and the headlights that we're going to get, to replace them. And I also got a comment yesterday from somebody regarding the grill that, like, I hate the grill on that truck, basically get rid of it. And I know right now on the I know right now on the truck it looks a little bit goofy because it's got everything else on it. There's no lift. There's no cool, like, smoky chrome looking wheels. There's no big wide tires on it. There's no headlamps that match the grill, which are supposed to be like a smoky chrome too. So right now it looks out of place. Like, I understand that it does look a little bit out of place, but we're trying to change that one day at a time as we build up the trucks. And I can get you guys videos. So just because in one video you're like, it doesn't really go good together yet. The build's not done until it's done. So if something looks out of place, there's probably still a ways to go until we have the trucks, completed. But does it really ever stop? Not really. So I'm going to get to installing these fog lights here. They look pretty good. They've already got the bulb in. All we have to do is mount them up and plug in the socket to the new one. So let's get over there to the truck and get these things put on. Let me give you a real good look around the truck the way it is. Like I said, guys, still got the stock headlights. Those are going to get changed out to match the headlamps, tail light, not the headlamp, the fog lights, tail lights, and the grill. They're going to be like a smoky chrome as well. Let me show you guys real quick the tail lights for those of you who may be stopping and new. And the theme we're kind of going with here, which is that smoky chrome looking thing. So let me get to dismounting these fog lamps here and putting in the new ones. Okay guys, so I just finished up the install on these smoky chrome fog lights with the F250, F350, and all the tools that I used are right here. Just a set of needle nose pliers, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, small Phillips head, larger Phillips head, and a flathead screwdriver. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to put that plastic, the plastic license plate cover holder thing back up on there. It kind of is, it was just held on by like those little plastic little tacks or whatever they are, but those just popped out and they're broke. So it's not going to be going back on. But I don't think it matters with that on or off. It doesn't really look good anyways. There's no plate on it, so yeah, I'm just going to put some tools away here, then I will get back to you guys in just a split second here. Well guys, I am done with the fog light install on that 2002 Super Duty there. It went pretty smooth for the most part, but there was, of course, you've got to have a couple bumps in the road or it's not, a build project. But anyways, I've taken them out and trying to, get out all the old OEM screws, the original screws and crap, and some of them broke off and some of them wouldn't come out of the threads and some were like locked in or rusted in, and so, kind of sucked, but I made it work. I got everything out, got everything back together, everything's tight and held up, so it's good, I guess. Like I said, my dad did take the headlights back to ship them out to get them returned with the right ones, and hopefully those will be in really soon, because right now the truck, like I said, I'm gonna have some comments about the grill and the taillights and the fog lights and how they're not matching the headlights. We can only do it at the most one day at a time. There's just a lot to do. There's only so many days in a week, and there's 3 trucks to work on right now, so we can't do it all every day on top of everything else we have to do in our lives. That is, aside from YouTube, which I really do enjoy, but there's other things we got to get done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please smash the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah.